Welcome back to Build Wealth, Retire Rich. Today's tip might seem small, but trust me, it can make a huge difference over time. Let's talk about canceling unused subscriptions. Yes, those sneaky little charges that quietly eat away at your budget. Did you know the average person spends over $200 a month on subscriptions? Now, some of these might be essential, but how many are you really using? Maybe it's that streaming service you signed up for free during a trial or the gym membership you haven't touched in months. Here's how you can get started. Audit your subscriptions. Check your bank or credit card statements for recurring charges. Step 2. Prioritize what you use and love. Keep only subscriptions that add value to your life. Step 3. Cancel or pause the rest. Many services make it easy to pause memberships so you can always come back if needed. Let's look at an example. If you cut just $50 worth of unused subscriptions a month, that's $600 saved in a year. Now imagine investing that amount. With an 8% annual interest return, in 10 years, you will have over $9,000. That's the power of small intentional changes. So take a few minutes today to review your subscriptions, redirect that money towards your savings, investments, and even that dream vacation fund. Every dollar saved is a step closer to financial freedom. Don't forget to check out more tips on our website, buildwealthretirerich.com. And if you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. Let's build wealth together. Thank you.